Wood is one of the most used natural building materials in the world. A number of valuable properties such as low heat conductivity, small bulk density, relatively high strength, amenability to mechanical working etc. makes wood as famous building material. Wood can be used in most economical way without wasting any of the derivative of it. Even the sawdust obtained during wood sawing can also be used to make fiber boards, paper etc. In this video, we are going to understand the basic principles in wood materials related to machines and tools. After watching this video, viewers are able to display the procedures required to conduct construction material laboratory, wood, and to follow code of practices in conducting construction material laboratory work.